The 8 cm Raketen Vielfachwerfer was a multiple rocket launcher produced in Nazi Germany during the Second World War. History. The Soviet BM-8 Katyusha rocket launchers first encountered during Operation Barbarossa left a big impression on the invading Germans. Proposals to copy the Katyusha for German use were soon made, but there wasn't much spare industrial capacity available for new projects. There also wasn't a great deal of enthusiasm for the project because the German army had already committed to the production of spin-stabilized rocket systems such as the Nebelwerfer. Since the Waffen-SS was the military wing of the Nazi Party, it was often in competition with the Wehrmacht for resources. This meant the Waffen-SS often used its political influence to create its own network of suppliers outside the influence of the Wehrmacht to supply its troops. A product of this competition for resources was the 8 cm Raketen Vielfachwerfer, which was almost a direct copy of the BM-8 and often armed Waffen-SS units. Design. Launcher. The launcher consisted of 2 rows of parallel perforated steel rails which the rockets were mounted on. The launch rails could launch either German or captured Russian rockets. The rails were then mounted on tubular steel frames on a variety of vehicles. 2 of the most common mounts were an armored Somua MiG German designation S-307F, half-track modified by Alfred Becker for use by the Wehrmacht, or a German SDKF Z4 half-track. Rocket. The rocket, called the 8 cm Raketen Sprengegranate, was a simple cordite-fueled, fin-stabilized, 78 mm, 3.1 in, diameter, high-explosive rocket patterned closely on the Russian M8. The body was simple and inexpensive to produce due to the use of stamped sheet metal components, unlike the more expensive machined Venturis used by spin-stabilized rockets. The fins of the 8 cm Raketen Sprengegranate differed from the M8 and were mounted at 2 degrees to impart spin to improve accuracy. Type: rocket artillery. Place of origin: Soviet Union. Service history. In service 1943 to 1945. Used by Nazi Germany. Wars: World War II. Production history. Produced 1943 to 1945. No built 300. Variants: 24 or 48 round launcher. Specifications. Weight: loaded, 6,853 kilograms, 15,108 pounds. Empty, 6,200 kilograms, 13,700 pounds. Crew 6. Shell .72 m, 2 feet 4 in. Shell weight 6.9 kilograms, 15 pounds 3 ounces. Caliber 78 millimeters, 3.1 in. Elevation 0 degrees to and 37 degree. Traverse 360 degrees. Muzzle velocity 290 m/s, 950 feet/s. Maximum firing range 5.3 kilometers, 3.3 miles. Filling weight 0.6 kg, 1 pound 5 ounces.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.